Hi there, my name is David O'Brien and I'm an interior designer, and this is Teddy, and let me show you around my home where I can show you some tips for inspiration. I was very fortunate to be able to build my own home. My brother is a builder, so we were able to collaborate together and create something that was very unique for me. I split this space into 3 different zones. I wanted a really large open space that I could have family and friends over. There's the kitchen area, which is over here. We have my sitting area, which is over here. And I have the dining area, which I'm standing in. I also have one secret area, which is in here where I hide my fridge. So it's a really cool moving wall. I have a little pantry, a lot of Teddy's toys. The furniture is really eclectic in this space. I picked up this vintage chest from the 1590s, also this Chesterfield, and I have a really beautiful antique piano. I have these really large windows that leave in an awful lot of light, but you need something to help you protect your furniture from the sun. So I picked blackout blinds from Hillary's, which have been an absolute game changer. They give me control over the light in the room, and when they're down, they give you that lovely element of coziness and privacy, and heat control as well when the sun is out.